teens, this is Sarah with Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to do an upcycled picture frame. So you'll need some magazine pages, some glue, and what you'll do is take the pages and you'll fold them over like this until you get all the way to the edge, and you'll glue that down with some glue. You can also do shorter ones, and you can fold it this way to get the shorter ones, so that way you have different sizes. And then you'll roll them up, so you'll just take it and roll it up like that until you get a nice round piece. And then you'll have different sizes that you'll glue on top of a picture frame. You can get that at the Dollar Tree. And there's your upcycled picture frame.